Hello everyone and welcome to our video tutorial on Microsoft Excel. In today's digital age, Microsoft Excel is a versatile and powerful spreadsheet software used by millions worldwide for various tasks, from simple data organization to complex financial analysis. Wherever you are a student, a professional businessman, or just looking to enhance your data handling skills, Excel has something to offer. In this course, we will guide you through the ins and outs of Excel, starting from the basic and progressing to more advanced features. You will learn how to create, format, and analyze data effectively, making Excel an essential tool in your tasks. So, wherever you are a complete beginner or experienced user looking to more advanced, please join us as we explore the world of Microsoft Excel. Unlock its incredible potential. Let's begin.